A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move aimed at addressing a growing backlog in immigration cases, U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has approved the deployment of up to 600 military lawyers to the Justice Department. These lawyers will serve as temporary immigration judges, a critical role that has become increasingly necessary due to the overwhelming number of cases currently pending in immigration courts. As of now, the Justice Department is grappling with a staggering backlog of approximately 3.5 million immigration cases, a situation exacerbated by the previous administration's policies and the recent loss of over 100 immigration judges. The decision to send military lawyers into the judicial system comes as the Trump administration intensifies its crackdown on illegal immigration. With the goal of expediting deportations, the Department of Justice has requested assistance from the Department of Defense, DoD, to help alleviate the backlog that has left many individuals waiting years for their immigration hearings. The newly assigned military attorneys will have a temporary appointment lasting 179 days, with the potential for renewal. The first group of 150 attorneys is expected to be deployed as soon as practicable, with military services working to identify suitable candidates. This initiative reflects the administration's strategy to streamline the immigration process and accelerate the adjudication of cases, which many believe has become a significant strain on the judicial system. As these military lawyers step into their roles, they will be tasked with making critical decisions regarding the status of individuals who have been living in the country illegally. This includes the authority to revoke green cards and issue final orders of removal for those who have been in the U.S. for over 2 years. The Justice Department has modified its criteria for temporary immigration judges, lowering the qualifications and removing the necessity for prior experience in immigration law, thereby allowing military lawyers to fill these essential positions more rapidly. The move has sparked a mixed reaction among various stakeholders. Supporters argue that this initiative is necessary to restore order to a chaotic immigration system, while critics warn that the influx of military personnel into the judiciary could undermine the integrity of the judicial process. Advocates for immigrant rights have expressed concern over the potential for harsher rulings and expedited deportations, fearing that the rapid pace of adjudication may not allow for fair hearings. In tandem with this deployment, the Trump administration has been vocal about its commitment to increasing the rate of arrests and deportations. Recent reports indicate that the Department of Homeland Security is launching a nationwide recruitment campaign to bolster its ranks of deportation officers, investigators, and attorneys, fueled by new funding from Congress. This aggressive approach to immigration enforcement comes on the heels of significant changes within the immigration court system, which has seen a substantial turnover in judges. The recent firings and voluntary resignations have left the courts in a precarious position, further complicating efforts to manage the backlog. In response, the administration is exploring a variety of options to address the situation, including the hiring of additional immigration judges to restore balance to the system. As the military lawyers prepare for their roles, they will undergo approximately 2 weeks of training to ensure they are equipped to handle the complexities of immigration law. This training will be crucial as they navigate the nuances of individual cases and make determinations that could significantly impact the lives of many. In related developments, President Trump has faced legal challenges regarding his administration's immigration policies. A federal judge recently blocked Trump's attempt to deploy the National Guard to Los Angeles, citing concerns over the creation of a national police force. This ruling has added another layer of complexity to the administration's efforts to enforce its immigration agenda. As the situation continues to evolve, the administration remains steadfast in its commitment to addressing illegal immigration. With the deployment of military lawyers as temporary judges, the Trump administration aims to tackle the backlog of cases and reinforce its tough stance on immigration enforcement. The coming weeks will be critical as these military attorneys begin their work and the effects of this unprecedented move unfold in the immigration courts across the nation. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.